Hey, greetings from Texas. It's time to make some beans. We got some pinto beans here. We're going to do about 2 cups of those. Some green pepper. I got some tomatoes we got to use up. I got some homemade barbecue sauce I need to use up. Got about a half a cup there. White onion. 2 beef bouillon cubes if I didn't mention. Black pepper, maple syrup, and some garlic. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our beans and rinse them using the Instant Pot, so there's no soaking required, and they're going to only take about 35 minutes. Kind of a side note on the beans, you know, sometimes you get stones or things in them. When we transfer them into a container like this for storage, anything heavy will usually sink to the bottom, so that kind of helps you out. All right, after looking at my ratio of vegetable to beans, I went ahead and we're going to do 3 cups of beans. So there they are in the Instant Pot. Ooh, look, this green pepper had babies. Okay, green peppers are diced. Tomatoes are diced. Onions are diced. And we're just crushing 4 cloves of garlic. Okay, so now we're just going to use up what's left of this homemade barbecue sauce that I had. That's about 1/3 of a cup. Let's scrape the bottom. Okay, we got our barbecue sauce incorporated. Let's throw in some black pepper. And let's add our maple syrup. There we go. We're doing about 1/3 of a cup. We do some red pepper flakes. Okay, and we threw in our 2 beef bouillon cubes, and we're just going to toss this up. All right, now we added water, and how I determine water is 1 knuckle up from the top of the beans. From the top of the beans. So we're going to add our veggie mixture in there. Okay, we got everything incorporated. Now these veggies are going to leach out some liquid too. So when these beans are done, if they're too watery, we can go ahead and add some cornstarch, or we can just saute them and cook off some of that water. We added 2 bay leaves, and we're good to go. All right, in the Instant Pot, we're on high pressure. We set the timer for 40 minutes. After that, we're gonna do a natural pressure release. So once it gets up to pressure, starts cooking after 40 minutes, this valve will be up, and we'll just let it sit until that valve goes down naturally, and the beans will be done. Okay, it's been about 1 hour and 40 minutes since it's done, so let's go ahead and see what the beans look like. Oh, there they are. Let's take a little sample here. Let's get them mixed up. All right. Check for seasoning. These are beans, nice and tender. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, those are good. No seasoning, maybe it needs a little bit of salt, but otherwise it's great. Okay, that's beans, pinto beans in the Instant Pot.